Hello, Mom. I am Diane May. I am 37 years old. I have four kids, ages 19, 15, 13, and a 7-month old baby. I studied caregiving, major in taking care of infant and elderly. I also trained the healthcare service. I also trained basic life support and a first aid. I am also a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Psychology. I love doing things like ironing, cleaning the house, cooking, taking care of the kids, marketing, car washing, gardening. Um, I also do the baking sometimes, Mom. Yes, I love to cook. Some basic Western foods, Chinese food, and Filipino food, but willing to learn more how to cook Chinese food. But honestly, I want to improve cooking mostly Chinese food as well. I can handle a child with tantrums. Just give him or her toys, then talk to him nicely and read some storybooks, then play with him or her just to avoid the tantrums of the babies or the toddler. Homesick, Mom. Homesick is normal for Filipino OFWs here in Hong Kong, but there is a video call. Sometimes I need to call my family to avoid homesick too and just think about the future and the reason why you go here to Hong Kong and work. To give the kids a nice future and nice education, Mom. I do not have any health problem or issues. I hope you can give me the chance to work with your family as well. By the way, I have a working experience here in Hong Kong, 11 months, but my previous employer was relocated to UK. Then I arrived at Philippines 2024, and now this is my second employer here at Wong Tai Sin. I was arrived to this family only for 2 weeks, but they're nice, but we cannot understand each other because they do not know how to speak English, honestly. But I love this family, Mom, but the problem is we do not understand each other. I hope you could give me the chance to work with your family. I will do my best and responsibilities with with your family, Mom. Follow all the rules and be nice to you and respect your family as well. Thank you, Mom.